Have you or a friend or a family member suffered from an autoimmune disorder? If so, you've probably been led to believe that this is a lifelong condition and it's impossible to turn around. You've likely been told that you'll have to take the medications for the rest of your life with no relief in sight. The fearful reality also exists that once you've developed one autoimmune condition, you're far more likely to develop another one or even multiple conditions. Pharmaceutical drugs are not the solution. Then what is?
I mean, I just think about my wife's journey. When she was 7 years old and she started having symptoms and getting sick, and the doctors didn't know what was going on, and they gave her some medication that caused brain encephalitis, and then she went into a coma for 6 weeks. And they ended up finding out that she had Lyme disease. When she found out she had Lyme disease, they gave her, antibiotics for about a year, and then oral antibiotics for another year. And I just look at, if that was the answer for her in that case, she wouldn't have had a need for heart surgery. She wouldn't have had a need for sinus scraping. She wouldn't have had to, remove herself from entering the Junior Olympics for swimming because of her health issues. All these different things triggered from that. And I always just see that being a Band-Aid.
So what the symptom is being addressed, but why the symptom is occurring isn't being addressed. Therefore, you're not going to get well.
Yeah.
If you're treating a disease, you're not going to heal.
I meet people, and if they're not in pain, someone they know is in chronic pain, and I'm not just talking about physical pain, I'm talking about mental pain, distress. People are depressed.
The beautiful thing about pharmaceuticals is they keep people from dying. But there's not a pharmaceutical in the world that can make you well.
World Health Organization estimate that 1 in 3 deaths are due to infection and parasitic infection. 1 in 3 deaths worldwide. So you're a part of a statistic that you shouldn't be proud of, and you're not okay, and you're not fine, and we're not fine.
What I did was very integrative, and I did several steps, but it started with cleaning up my diet. It's a path. You don't just automatically know all these superfoods to take and do and heal yourself. You're on a path to healing, and I decided I wanted to take the path to healing instead of the path to the deathbed.
Understanding how our bodies work and how disease develops can have a profound positive effect on the rest of our lives.